So here I am circling myself with the drone and trying a little side flip, and then that caused us to crash. Here I am trying to do a split S into this tree here, and that was nice. Almost hit that tree on the right, but we didn't. Going back in, trying to do a power loop, and I did give up halfway through and then reversed out. And here we are trying to dive this slide, and I managed to do that without crashing into the playground. Yep, don't know what that crash was. Almost hit that, but I saved myself. Here is my first crash trying to hit this small gap. So I tried again and I crashed again. So I tried again and didn't even make it through. And tried even one more time. And yeah, I managed to make it through. So then I tried to land it in manual mode and I couldn't even do that and crashed into this bush. And here is the clip you've all been waiting for. I don't know why I went left, and this is the result of going left, straight into that car. Nice. I didn't see the small branch as I was flying, and my drone somehow did a backflip onto this black car below with someone inside. Thankfully there was no damage to the car, and he didn't get mad about it. And here's the damage done to my drone. It was a fracture on the outer body. I do have DJI Care Refresh, which I'll probably use to get repaired. Comment below what you want me to do next with this drone, and thanks for watching.